guys, if you're interested in knowing how I remove gel polish or shellac polish from your nails without using acetone, then definitely keep on watching. So those are my gel polish nails that I have on, and what you're going to need is an e-file or a regular manual file, as well as a gel polish remover that I got off of Amazon. So I'm gonna start off by using a 240 sanding band grit here, and I'm going to lightly file off any shine from the nail. This part is really important to help remove the gel polish. You can also use a manual file for this, but I'm just applying light pressure and I'm just removing that top coat. Now I'm applying that gel polish remover on the nails, and make sure you don't get it on your skin. I think it's bad for your skin, I'm not sure, but leave it on your nails for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then eventually you're going to see it bubble on the nails, and then you're going to be able to gently scrape off the gel polish, which you're going to see me do in just a few moments. Now you can see how it kind of bubbled. The gel polish is already starting to peel. So now I'm going to take my tool there and I'm going to gently scrape it off. Just make sure you're doing this lightly. You don't want to go too harsh on the nail. And then if some of the gel polish doesn't come off, you can just go ahead, reapply it and leave it on for a shorter amount of time and just repeat that process. I generally do this 2 times for the gel polish to be mostly gone. Finally, I'm going to be taking my sanding band once again, the 240 grit, and I'm going to file off any remainder of the gel polish lightly and just give the nail a nice file. I'm now wiping my fingernails with some alcohol on a wipe pad and just cleansing off the dust, and then I'm going in with some cuticle oil and moisturizing my fingers and cuticles, and that's it. Here's what they look like. Super easy. Thanks for watching.